Oh shit. What's up everybody? My name is Maurice Hernandez. If you're new here, that's how you say my name. I'm Maurice. So for today's shoot, it's gonna be a little bit different. I am trying to jump in more into fashion editorial photography. So I'm gonna be going into this rooftop right there. I actually did a shoot there 2 years ago when I was starting out with video. Check that out right there or right there. Forget, hold on. Check it out right there. I got my model Kaylee, who's already up there. Ambitious young people. I'm gonna use the Tamron 28-75 with the Evolve dual twin head, Glow Beauty Dish 34, and the 873. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we can come up with. All right, so we're gonna try to get the sunset. A bit cloudy, so.
It was sunny before. I got some good pictures.
So I'm gonna try to go to similar to a fashion editorial style. So let's see. So this is Kelly's outfit. You want to tell us what you're wearing?
High-waisted jeans and a nice little floral blouse with some sandals.
Sandals. Your hair did and tight.
My hair slicked back in a little bun. So I didn't feel like washing it.
Cochina. All right, we moved from location from over there over here to catch some more sunset. We got like a good 5 to 10 minutes, I say. Light power is 1/4, 0.3. Bend your elbow more. There you go. So it doesn't look like it.
Straight.
So it looks like you have an elbow. Hold that. Oh, this is fire. Alright guys, it's a wrap. Using the GoPro to end this video. Kaylee, what you thought?
Great shoot. Very good pictures. Excited to see.
You heard it here first. It looks like it's about to rain. It wasn't in the forecast, but luckily we finished just in time. So subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the post notification bell button, and hit that like button. Peace. Adios.
Oh, bye.